Hi, it's March 6, 2014, and it is 10:39 Central Standard Time in the evening. I made this video yesterday, and I want to show you the spot on here where I'm talking about an energy burst into the atmosphere. Oh, did you see it? Here's a picture of it again. This is the United States here. See this? See that? This is central United States right here. I made this yesterday, and now I want to show you today. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect March 6th, 10:30, 5 p.m. until March 7th, 5 a.m. Hazardous weather outlook wind advisory in effect. And let's look at here. This whole area is tornado watch. Tornado watch. And this is severe thunderstorm watch right in here. Okay? Now here, this is in telecast. This is possible damaging winds, same area. Just a little bit ago up here, they had several of these possible tornado, which has changed in just a short amount of time. I like IntelliCast because I'll show you on. Okay, let's get rid of that and just show this. These lines, each one of these is 5 minutes. So say I live right here. This, I have 5, from this line, 5, 10, 15 minutes before it hits here, and it is very, very windy outside right now. This is College of DuPage radar, and you can see this long line of dangerous looking storm coming in for everybody in that area. Look at that, just building up. Very dangerous. Okay, back to College of DuPage. They're talking about it being a cold front coming in. And look at these temperatures here. It's so warm, I don't need a coat on outside. And then this colder temperature is behind it, and that's the direction that the storm is going, is toward the east. Okay, this is the El Dorado weather map, and if I click on weather alerts, then you can see this red area is tornado warning down here. Yellow is tornado watch. The orange, it says fire weather advisory. And the blue, I'm sorry about moving up and down, high wind advisory. Okay. Okay, so that's the radar map. Let's look at the infrared satellite. That gives you a little bit better of a picture of what's going on, actually. Pretty intense. Look at this weird thing right here. That's very weird looking. But this is very explosive and intense right here. This also looks bad over here. And then it gets even weirder up here by Russia. So we got some intense weather, and over here too. Intense weather around the world tonight. And this is one of my favorite maps, the wind map of the world. Look at this. and I live right about there. And we thought it was weird because the clouds were moving from the south to the north. You could see the moon every so often, and they're just moving unbelievably rapidly, just like this is what it looks like. But look at where this is confronting sideways. So we've got two coming in perpendicular to each other, and of course there's going to be some intensity there. Look at that. Yes. Amazing. So here's our local weather. Janesville weather. Ah, and that's where I live, right in here. Okay, so here's another map of from National Weather Service. The yellow is severe thunderstorm. The red are tornado. You can see that moving. I think it looks pretty weird in a way. I'll show you on this one. Look at this shape that comes out right there. That is strange. And I didn't see it showing up when I got close in. That is a strange shape right there. And in case you're wondering about a timestamp on this, I have to go all the way over here and down. Right there. Okay. Okay, now this is College of DuPage, and I want you to pay attention to all the radar down here. That's emitting intense energy. Look at this thing coming across here, too. That's a strange looking little thing as it travels. Okay, so anyway, this is energy, and this is coming through where I live right here. Okay, now as I zoom in on College of DuPage, this radar system here, and that it's like the storm is like pulled toward the radar. See right there? That's like what I was talking about. That is weird looking. And I realize that the pixels are really bad in that, but see how that looks? That's really bizarre in a sense to me. Okay. And this is the NEXRAD image. And you can see it like shooting out like a little beam right there. If you just watch it this time around there. And here's the timestamp for this. There, saw that really good. Okay. So I'm back to IntelliCast, and these little red triangles keep popping up and then disappearing. It's odd that it seems to just be sitting there, and the weather right now, like it was really unbelievably windy today, but right now it's just warm and almost calm, which is bizarre. So once again, yesterday, well, it was actually today, way early in the morning, is when I captured this image on IntelliCast. And the link for everything is below. I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Okay, I thought I would end it with this. Ventusky, I've never looked at this map before. This is kind of neat. As I mouse across, you can see the temperature changes. This is a neat map. I can zoom out. This is cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. So the colors have to be temperature. Look at all this up here. That's bizarre looking. And I don't know what happens when I push play. Let's try it and find out. Let's get closer. Oh, it's the future. Okay. So this wind is going to gradually just move east is what it's saying on here, is what they're predicting. That's very interesting. Okay, so once again, I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Bye-bye.